when you get on. And then it'll say how much it was and how much you got left in the car. That's it. All right, good morning, Taiwan. So I'm kind of just out exploring, trying to figure out why I came here during a typhoon. Only I would do that. And I found this nice little walk. Fairly sure that's a art museum. Otherwise, yeah. Good morning. So I guess I could talk about the flight here. Anybody wondering coming to Taiwan? You fly in, bring your passport. They give you an arrival card. Fill it out on the plane. If they don't give it to you on the plane, when you get to the airport, you just go to immigration. Right in front of it, they have the cards. Fill it out. Go over to immigration, hand it in, and you're basically in. Then they're gonna do like a food inspection thing. It's not customs because they do that separately, but you have to do. They check for food, and then you go through the regular other things, customs, and then you're in. I suggest not getting the SIM card right away. Go outside, not the airport, but outside of like the airport area where you know, behind the security, and get it there. That way you can find an ATM instead of like an exchange to get cash to pay for it, because it's all cash. Also, they seem to run out of the little bus passes, so I would go, you know, inside, or yeah, outside rather, and get that stuff. There's a 7-Eleven down like an escalator. That's where I got all mine. And that's about it for now. Alright, I just came outside Bangkok train station, which seems like a hub. And this is what it looks like around here. That's the station. Pretty awesome. I really do like Taiwan so far. And if you don't know it by now, I'm gonna butcher every name to everything, so I apologize in advance. Those are some big boys. Kind of stuff that makes me feel like I'm actually traveling. It's incredibly detailed. I will put down in the description maybe what it is if I figure it out. I haven't seen it. It's pretty awesome. The Bangkok I'm not sure how to say that, stadium in New Taipei City. Pretty cool. Not sure what they play there, what goes on there, but pretty cool. Lots of playgrounds around here too. And if you're wondering what I'm doing, basically just picking a district and walking around it. Not sure where to go for everything. I got things that I want to go to, but I haven't made it there yet. Today's just kind of an exploring day, figuring out where stuff is, how things work. I don't understand why more people don't come here. This place is absolutely awesome. Really need to come to Taiwan. Something I noticed earlier. can rent an umbrella. Not something you see everywhere. I guess it rains enough to warrant that. Alright, since I have to do this again anyway. Here's the card machine. Top up. Next step. You can choose whether or not you want a receipt. That's it. Done deal. It's that simple. Alright. This is how the Easy Card works. You take your card, you walk up, put it in the slot, and there you go. Alright, when you get off, it'll say how much it was and how much you got left in the card. That's it.